Welcome to EMG Painting Company. At EMG, we take pride in transforming spaces with 20th century techniques and technologies. Whether you're here to explore our services, seek inspiration for your next project, or connect with our owner-operator professionals, we're thrilled to have you join us. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for craftsmanship, we strive to exceed your expectations every step of the way. No job is too big or small for EMG to handle, from residential to commercial projects. As you explore our website or reach out to us directly, please don't hesitate to ask questions, share your ideas, and let us know how we can help you. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're here to make your painting experience seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for considering EMG Painting Company for your painting needs.